Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 73. HYEONG. HYEONG. This is composed of just one syllable. Pronounce it with me. HYEONG. HYEONG. Again, our word for today is HYEONG, and this is used to say brother, this time if you are a younger brother. Again, HYEONG means brother. The word YONG is composed of just one syllable, and it is spelled by writing first a HY character, followed by the YO character, followed by an IYEONG character. And that's how you write HYEONG. But remember that YONG is used if you are a younger brother, and oppa is used if you are a younger sister. So with that, you've just learned HYEONG. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 63 to 72. But don't forget our word for today, HYEONG, which means brother, and this is used if you are a younger brother. Next word for our review is oppa. This time, this is used to say brother if you are a younger sister. Next word is 어머니, and this is the Korean term for mother. Next word is 아버지, which means father. Next word for our review is 나중에, which means later. Next word for our review is 걷다. This is a verb which means to walk. Next word is Araso. This is an informal way of saying, alright, I understand. Next word is alta. This is another verb which means to know or understand. Next word is 괜찮습니다. This is a formal way of saying, it's okay. Next word is Gwaenchana. This is an informal way of saying, it's okay. And the last word for our review is 웃다. This is a verb which means to smile or laugh. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.